Welcome to Lenino. Today we are going to discuss GK previous year questions from RRB exams. First question, the event of Buddha's life were given in. The event of Buddha's life were given in. Option A, Buddhist. Option B, Triratna. Option C, Jataka tales. Option D, Pita. Answer is option C, Jataka tales. Jataka tales are work of literature that are about Gautama Buddha's previous birth. Jataka tales are found in Ajanta Ellora caves. Ajanta Ellora caves. Ajanta Ellora caves in Maharashtra. It is in Aurangabad. It is in Aurangabad district. It is in Aurangabad district of Maharashtra. Next question, why were stupas built? They contained sacred places to hold religious meetings, to worship the Buddha, to keep Buddhist scriptures. Answer is option A. They contain sacred relics. Buddha stupas were originally built to house the ashes or remains of the Buddha and his associates. Stupas were built because the relics of Buddha, such as the bodily remains or objects used by him, were buried there. So option is option A. With the reference to Sutta Pitaka, which of the following statements are correct? This is a life character of Buddha. It is related with the conversation between the ruler of Magadha and Buddha. This is Buddhist scripture written in Sri Lanka. It is about the rules and regulations made for the people who adopted the Buddhist monastic system. Option B, it is related with the conversation between the ruler of Magadha and Buddha. Option B, the Tripitaka is a collection of primary Pali language texts which form the doctrinal foundation of Theravada Buddhism. The three divisions of the Tripitaka are Vinaya Pitaka is about the monastic life and the daily affairs of bhikkhus, ordinary monks, and bhikkhu means ordinary nun, according to the rules attributed to the Buddha. Sutta Pitaka is said about discourses attributed to the Buddha and a few of his closet disciples, containing all the central teachings of Theravada Buddhism. Sutta Pitaka describing a conversation between King Ajatashatru, the ruler of Magadha, and the Buddha. Sutta Pitaka is a conversation between Ajatashatru and Buddha. Abhidhamma Pitaka is said about text in which underlying doctrinal principles presented in the Sutta Pitaka are revoked and reorganized into a systematic framework. Name the Buddhist text that comprises rules for monks. This Vinaya Pitaka. Vinaya Pitaka consists of rules for monks. Vinaya and Sutta Pitaka are the combination whose teachings. Option A, Gautama Buddha. Vinaya and Sutta Pitaka are compilations of whose teachings? Gautama Buddha. Hinayana and Mahayana sects of which? This Buddhism. Hinayana and Mahayana are sect of Buddhism. Hinayana and Mahayana are sect of Buddhism. Hinayana and Mahayana are the sect of Buddhism religion. It came to existence after death of Gautama Buddha. The Mahayana sect, which means great vehicle in Sanskrit, believed in the divinity of the Buddha. The sect encouraged ideal worship in Buddhism. So Hinayana and Mahayana are the sect of Buddhism religion. It came into existence after death of Gautama Buddha. The Mahayana sect, which means great vehicle in Sanskrit, believed in the divinity of Buddha. Sect encouraged idol worship in Buddhism. The Hinayana sect, meaning small vehicle in Sanskrit, did not believe in the divinity of the Buddha. It stressed on individual salvation through self-discipline and meditation. Next question. The famous Buddhist structure, the Dhammika was originally constructed during the Dash dynasty. Option A, Nanda. Option B, Sunga. Option C, Kanva. Option D, Maurya. Answer option D, Maurya. Dhammika Stupa is one of the most famous Buddhist stupas located in Saradad near Varanasi in Uttar Pradesh, India. Saranad, Uttar Pradesh in India. Dhammika Stupa is in Uttar Pradesh. Originally built in 249 BC during the reign of King Ashoka of the Mauryan dynasty. This massive and prominent structure has over time gone through several expansions and additions. This old cylindrical shaped stupa made up of red bricks and stone. Chinese Buddhist monk, scholar, translator, and traveler Suyang visited Saranath in 640 CE, during which time he recorded the height of the stupa to be around 91 meters and mentioned the presence of 1,500 priests in the colony. Next question. Where do we believe that Lord Buddha gave his first sermon? Give the name of the memorial and which is also seat of Holy Buddha. Where do we believe that Lord Buddha gave his first sermon? It is in Saranath, Dhammika Stupa. Next, where is Buddhist structure Dhammika Stupa? Saranath. The concept of Bodhisattva is associated with it. The concept of Bodhisattva is associated with the Mahayana Buddhism. Mahayana Buddhism. A person who has attained prajna or enlightenment but who postpones nirvana in order to help others to attain enlightenment. The concept of Bodhisattva is associated with the Mahayana Buddhism. Which of the following sermons of Gautama Buddha known as fire sermon? Option B, Aditya Paryaya Sutta. Fire sermon, Aditya Paryaya Sutta. The Aditya Paryaya Sutta, sermon of Buddha, Gautama Buddha, known as fire sermon. In this, Buddha preaches about achieving liberation from suffering through detachment from the five senses and mind. The Dhammika Parivartana Sutta is considered to be a record of the first teaching given, Dharmachakra Parivartana, given by Buddha after he attained enlightenment. Anathalakhana Sutta is traditionally recorded as a second discourse delivered by Gautama Buddha. So, Aditya Paryayana Sutta, sermon of Gautama Buddha, known as fire sermon. In this, Buddha preaches about achieving liberation from suffering through detachment from the five senses and mind. Which of the following is an ancient Buddhist text? This Abhidharma Kosha. Abhidharma Kosha is an ancient Buddhist text which contain detailed scholastic presentations of doctrinal material appearing in the Buddhist sutras. Jataka tales are related with the Buddha religion. Jataka, Pali and Sanskrit are any of the extremely popular stories of former lives of the Buddha in both human and animal form. Some Jataka tales are scattered in various sections of the Pali canon of Buddhist writings. In which state of India can we find the preserved Buddhist caves called Karle? Is in Maharashtra. Among the oldest Buddhist rock-cut cave, Karle is located near Pune. On the Pune-Mumbai highway to Karle, near Lonavala, Maharashtra. First phase lasted from 2nd BC to 2nd century AD, and the second phase lasted for 5th century AD to 10th century AD. Is known for its architectural style. So, preserved Buddhist caves Karla is located in Maharashtra. Is located in Maharashtra. Which of the following is not a pilgrim place of Buddhist? Is Gaudiya. Bodhya Sarana Kuchindra pilgrim place of Buddhist. Gaudiya is not a pilgrim place of Buddhist. Important events related to the Gautama Buddha. Bodh Gaya is the holy place where Buddha attained the enlightenment under people tree on the day of Vaishakha Purnima. Buddha gave his first sermon in the village of Saranath. This event is known as Dharma Chakra Pravartana, turning the wheel of law. He died at the age of 80 in 483 BC at a place called Kushinagar. Kushinagar, Buddha dead. This event is known as Mahaparinirvana. That event is known as Mahaparinirvana. First sermon in the village of Saranath, event known as Dharma Chakra Pravartana, turning on the wheel of law. Bodh Gaya is a holy place where Buddha attained the enlightenment under the people tree on the day of Vaishakha Purnima. Where was Gautama Buddha born? Gautama Buddha born in Lumbini. Gautama Buddha was the founder of Buddhism. He was known as the light of Asia. He was born in 563 BC in Lumbini, Kapilavastu. His father Suddhodana was a leader of Sakya clan and his mother was a Mahayana. His childhood name was Siddhartha. His home abandonment is said to known as Mahavir Nishkarmana, grand departure at Buddhism. So this is the last question of this section. Thank you.